Good morning student. In our last video we are discussing about tournament. Tournament, it is a series of competitions between number of competitors where they compete with each others and a winner is decided. There are 4 types of tournament: knockout tournament, league or we can say round robin tournament, combination tournament and challenge tournament. We had already discussed about knockout and league tournament. Next is combination tournament. Combination tournament, it is a combination of knockout and league tournament. It is of 4 types: knockout combined knockout, knockout combined league, league combined league and league combined knockout fixtures. We had already discussed about knockout combined knockout fixtures. Next is knockout combined league fixtures. How to draw knockout combined league fixtures? Let total team is 19. In combination tournament, the first step is we have to divide the team in 4 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C and these are the 4 groups. Since there are 19 teams, so in first group there will be the 15. 4 player, 5 player. Here in group C 5 players, group D 5 player. Okay, 10, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19. In group A 4 player, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And group B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In group C 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And group D 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. First step, we have to divide the team in 4 groups. So since the tournament is knockout combined league fixtures, so first draw the fixtures according to knockout. 1, 2, 3, 4. Competition between 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let 2 is the winner of this tournament. So number of match in this tournament is n-1, 3. In same process we will do for group B. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since there is a 5 team, so next highest power of 2 is 8. Means we will give 3 by. Okay, divide the team in 2 parts. 6, 7, 8. We will give 2 by. Competition between 6 and 7. Let here 6. 6 is the winner. And number of match will be 4. Okay, same for group C. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. First by, second by, third by. Let 12 win. 12 is the winner. And number of match is 4. Now in same we will do for group D, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So first by, second by and third by. There are 5 teams, so we will give 3 by. Competition between 16, 17. Let 19, let 18. 18 is the winner. So number of match is 4. So this is the first step. We have to, they will compete as per the knockout fixtures. Next, the winner of each group. Winner of each group. Winner of group A, B, C, D. Winner of group A, B, C are 2, 6, 12 and 18. These 4 are the winner of this 4 group. Now there will be the competitions between the winner of this 4 group as per the league fixtures. Okay, they will again compete as per the league fixtures. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is your wish whether you can fight as per the stair, cyclic or table, your wish. I am doing according to the cyclic fixtures. So first round, second round and third round. In first round, 2, 6, 12, 18. In cyclic fixtures, we have to keep 1 player at a fixed place. We are keeping 2 at a fixed place. So, in second round, 18 will come in the place of 6. Okay. Now, 18, 6 and 12. And in third round, 12 will come in the place of 18. 12, 18, 6. Now number of match is n minus 1 upon 2. 4 minus 1 upon 2 means 6. Now total match will be 3, 4, 4, 4 and 6. Okay, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. Total mass 3, 4, 4, 4 and 6. This is the process to draw knockout combined league fixtures. Okay, CUM means combined, knockout combined league fixtures. The first process, divide the team in 4 groups. After that, they will again compete, fight as per the whatever is given. If it is given knockout, then competitions as per knockout. If it is league, then competition as per the league. Next we discuss about knockout combined knockout. If it is given league combined league fixtures, then how you will draw? Okay, let league combined league, let total team is 21. So first step, divide the team in 4 groups. League combined league fixtures. Let total team is 21. So first group A. Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D. First step, divide the team in 4 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D. (21) players means in Group A 5 and 6. Group A, there will be the 5 players. Group B 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group C 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now Group C 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And Group D 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. First step, divide the team into 4 groups. So, since it is written league, so competition as per the league. There are 5 players. Number of round is for odd numbers. For odd number, if the total number is odd, then number of round is n. Means here's the number of round is 5. First round, second round, third round, fourth round and fifth round. Five odd number, since the total team is odd, so we will give 1 by. Whenever the team is odd, we will give by, 1 by, and the remaining team will compete in clockwise or anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First round. In second round, 5 will come in the place of 1. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. In third round, 4 will come in in the place of 5, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now in third round, fourth round, third will come in the place of 4, third, 4, 5, 1, 2. And in fifth round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Total match. Total match. Total match n minus 1 upon 2 means here the total match will be 10. Okay. Next, same process we will do for group B. Number of round is n, means there will be the 5 round. First round, second round, third round, fourth round and fifth round. Let the winner of this round is let 4. 4 is the winner. Okay, decide the winner also. Five odd number, give 1 by. And the competitions 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 6, 7, 8, 9. फिर 9, 10, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 7, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. This is for the group C, group B. And total match, let winner. Here's the let winner is 10. Okay, let winner is 10 and total match, okay. Number of match. n minus 1 upon 2 means there will be the 10 match in this tournament. Same we have to do for group C and group D. Okay student, group A, group B, group C, group D. Group B odd number, therefore we have given 1 by. Group B number of round n, odd number we have given by. Let winner will be 10 and total match 10. In group C, odd number, therefore we will give 1 by. In cyclic fixtures, we have to keep one player at a fixed place. Therefore, we have kept by at a fixed place. And the remaining team will move, rotate in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let winner of this group is 15, total match 5. Now in group D, number of team is 6, even number. Therefore, we will not give by. Here we have kept 16. Therefore, we have kept 16 at a fixed place. Look at here. We have kept 16 at a fixed place and the remaining team will rotate in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let winner is the 20 and number of match 16. Now the winner of each group 10, 15 and 20. These are the winner of each group. Now they will compete as per the league. Since it is written league, they will again compete as per the league. So first round, second round, third round, 4, 10. 4, 10, 15, 20. 4, 4. 20, 10, 15. Now 15, 20, 10. And the number of match n minus 1 upon 2 means here's the number of match is 6. So total match in this tournament, total match is 4. Total match 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 6. 51. This is the process to draw combined league fixtures. In the same way, if it is given knockout, then the winner will compete as per the knockout fixtures like 4, 10, 15, 20. Competition 4, 10, 15, 20 and winner. If in place of league, if it is written knockout, then the winner will compete as per the knockout. Since it is written league, therefore they will compete as per the league. So this is about the combination tournament. It is a series of competitions between number of competitors where they compete with each others and a winner is decided. It is a 4 type: knockout tournament, league, or we can say round robin tournament, combination tournament and challenge tournament. Now last is challenge tournament. What is challenge tournament? Next is challenge tournament. Challenge challenge tournament. Challenge tournament, it is mainly used in individual game. In challenge tournament, the players are given ranking according to their previous performance. Okay, the players are given ranking according to their previous performance, and if any player is unsatisfied with his rank, then he challenges the higher ranked players and replace his rank if he win. Okay, in challenge tournament, a player are given ranking according to their previous performance, and if any player is unsatisfied with his rank, then he challenges the higher ranked players, and if he win, he get the rank of that players, and if he lost, there will be the no change in the rank. And a player cannot challenge to the topmost players. He has to proceed step by step. Okay, the persons cannot jump ahead to challenge the top ranked player. He can challenge to the higher ranked players only. Challenge. He can challenge to the higher ranked players only. He cannot jump to challenge the topmost players. He has to proceed step by step in a given time of a tournament. For examples, this is the rank. Okay, 5, 7, 2, 3, 1, 8, 6, 4. 9, all ranking. Okay, this is the given ranking. Now, if any player is unsatisfied from his rank, he can challenge the higher ranked player. Okay, he can challenge the higher ranked players. He cannot jump ahead to challenge the top ranked player. He has to proceed step by step. If he win, he get the rank of that player, and if he lost, there will be no change in the rank. Let's take the example. Let 7 challenge 5. Okay, 7 challenge 5 and win. 1 challenge 3 and lost. Same. 4, 6, 4, 4 challenge 6 and win. So the new ranking will be, since 7 challenge 5 and win. Therefore 7 will get the rank of 5. 7 and 5 will come down. Now from down. Okay, 9, no one challenge the 9. Right from downward. 9. 4 challenge 6. 4 challenge 6 and win. Therefore 4 will get the rank of 6 and 6 will come down. 6 will come down, 4 will go up. 8, no one challenge 8. 1 challenge 3. Okay, 1 challenge 3 and lost. Therefore there will be no change in the rank. Next 2, no one has challenged the 2. 7 challenge 5 and win. Therefore 7 will get the rank of 5 and 5 will come down. This is the new ranking. This is about the challenge tournament. Challenge tournament, it is usually used in the individual game. The players are given ranking according to their previous performance, and if any player is unsatisfied with his rank, then he challenges the higher ranked players, and if he win, he get the rank of that player, and if he lost, there will be no change in the rank of our players. It is used in boxing, wrestling, badminton, tennis, etc. So this is about the tournament. So, planning. Okay, planning, it is an intellectual process of thinking in advance. Planning, it is an intellectual process of thinking in advance, in which we set our goal. Okay, in planning, first we set our goal and develop various strategies so that we can achieve our goal efficiently and effectively. Okay, planning, it is a pre-work which is done before the program. In planning, we set our goal. First, we set our goal, develop various strategy, outline our tasks, and so that we can achieve our goal. And committee, to organize the tournament or any program, we require to make committee. Committee, it is a group of people who work together to conduct any program or event. To organize any program or tournament, we require various committees like chairperson, technical committee, organizing committee, financial committee, playground committee, etc. And this committee should perform their duties and responsibilities. Okay, this committee should perform their duties with full responsibilities so that it's hard to conduct the program successfully. And tournament, 4 types of tournament: knockout, league, combinations, and challenge tournament. And last is intramural and extramural. Intramurals and extramural. Intramural competitions and extramural competitions. Intra means inside and extra means so. Intramurals activity or competitions. Intramural competitions means the competitions which are organized within the wall of the institutions. Only the student of that institutions will participate in that competitions. For example, inter-house competition, inter-house sports competitions, painting competition, etc. Okay, the activities are organized within the institution only. No other players are allowed to participate. Only the player of that institutions will participate in that activities. And next is extramural. Extramural competition means the competitions which are organized outside the wall of the institutions, like inter-school competitions, inter-district competitions, national competitions, international competition, etc. In extramural competitions, the players from various institutions participate. This is about the planning in